If your idea of adventure involves exploring far beyond the campground, but you still want the comforts of home packed into something lightweight and smart, well then meet the Forest River Rockwood Geo Pro. It's designed for travelers who take the road less traveled, but want to take power, comfort, and tech with them. It's compact, aerodynamic, and stylishly equipped. The Geo Pro just delivers everything you need to explore like a pro. So, let's head inside and check out what makes this small travel trailer such a big deal. Inside, you're greeted by an unexpected blend of tech and practicality. The Power Pro voice-activated control panel lets you control key systems with simple commands. Yes, you can literally tell your RV what to do. Now, while it can't cook for you, at least not yet, the Geo Pro kitchen makes it easy to whip up a real meal. Most models are going to feature a recessed 3-burner cooktop with a flush mount cover, a microwave, some even are upgraded to convection, and select models will include an oven. A stainless steel undermount sink with a high-rise faucet makes prep and cleanup effortless, while the 12-volt refrigerator, the size is going to vary by floor plan, offers amazing cold storage for everything from steaks to nice icy cold brews. Overhead, you'll find residential-style cabinets with hidden hinges and drawers that glide smoothly on soft-close roller bearings with full extension guides. Just every inch of the design feels deliberate. It's built to maximize space without feeling cramped. Now, because the Geo Pro is compact, the living and sleeping areas often flow together, creating a smart, open layout. Some floor plans offer a dinette with separation, while others use a Murphy bed system that transforms your space from living room to bedroom in seconds. Whether you're reading, relaxing, or calling it a night, comfort comes standard. Most models include a 13,500 BTU roof-mounted AC, while smaller layouts use a wall mount unit. For chillier nights, a 20,000 BTU furnace keeps you warm from toes to nose, and roller shades help block out the light when it's time to recharge. Entertainment is built right in with a 12-volt smart TV, an indoor stereo, and outdoor speakers for campsite playlists. The WineGuard Air 360 Plus omnidirectional antenna with Wi-Fi prep ensures you can stay connected no matter where your travels take you. The bathroom in the Rockwood Geo Pro is small but surprisingly smart. The standout feature is the Shower Miser water-saving system, which recirculates water back through the fresh tank while it heats up, a massive perk for anyone who likes to boondock. And hot water comes courtesy of the quick recovery gas electric water heater, and a max air ventilation fan helps pull out steam and humidity nice and quickly. Step outside and the Geo Pro's exterior features immediately stand out. The power awning adds instant outdoor living space, and the MoRide solid step system gives you stable, no-wobble entry. Hitching up is effortless thanks to the power tongue jack, while truss stabilizer jacks keep the trailer steady once parked. Up front, dual 20-pound LP bottles and a double battery box mean more fuel and more power for longer off-grid trips. The automotive-style tinted windshield looks sharp while keeping the cabin bright but cool. And the two-tone fiberglass exterior gives the Geo Pro a premium modern look, while magnetic baggage door catches make it easier to load gear without needing a third hand. The Sport Tire and Wheel package gives you 15-inch Mud Rover tires with balancing beads, polished alloy wheels, and a Dexter Torflex axle for smoother rides. Larger models may use Dexter leaf spring axles, and all come with TPMS sensors via the Road Tech tire pressure monitoring system. Out back, you'll find a rear ladder, a rarity in this size honestly, but it's perfect for roof inspections or stargazing. There's also a backup camera prep, a 2-inch accessory hitch receiver for racks or bikes, and an outdoor spray port with hot and cold water to clean off your gear or yourself after a muddy day. For grilling enthusiasts, LP Griddle Prep comes with a quick connect hookup, keeping your meals sizzling outdoors where they belong. Power management is another major highlight. Every Geo Pro includes a 200-watt solar panel, 1800-watt inverter, and 30-amp charge controller with the option to double up solar power with an extra 200-watt panel. But for serious off-grid travelers, the optional power package takes things to the next level. It upgrades the system to include a 460 amp hour master volt lithium battery, 3,000 watt 160 amp converter charger combo master, 3 200 watt solar panels, and an 11,000 BTU soft start AC, plus dual smart remotes to monitor and control everything. In short, it's just your self-sustaining mobile base camp. Now, the construction of the Rockwood Geo Pro proves that small doesn't mean fragile. You get a 6-sided aluminum frame with aluminum dinette bases, beds, and roof trusses, which gives you strength without adding additional weight. The interior and exterior walls are composite built, and the fully laminated walkable roof ensures durability. Beneath your feet lies a 5/8" tongue and groove plywood floor, and underneath that, heated and enclosed holding tanks with thermostat control, so cold weather camping isn't going to be as much of an issue. Frameless windows, on most models at least, help deflect heat and give the exterior a seamless look, while the high-gloss fiberglass cap with radiant foil insulation and an automotive windshield adds both efficiency and style. Okay, finally, let's get into towing, because capability matters as much as comfort. The Geo Pro lineup ranges from 14 to 21 feet in length, with dry weights from roughly 1,700 to 4,200 pounds and a maximum GVWR around 5,500. Translation is that this thing is towable by a wide range of vehicles. So some midsize SUVs like the Nissan Pathfinder, Jeep Grand Cherokee, or Ford Bronco can handle most models fairly well. Smaller pickups like the Ford Maverick or Hyundai Santa Cruz can tow the lighter floor plans, while midsize trucks, think Chevy Colorado, Ford Ranger, Nissan Frontier, or Toyota Tacoma, are perfect for some of the larger units. Not sure if your current ride can handle it? Well, you can check your owner's manual or just stop by your local Camping World and let the experts figure it out while you step inside a Rockwood Geo Pro in person. Once you see it up close, I think you'll understand why it's one of the most capable, well-built small travel trailers on the road.